reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, and the reason why a lot of techs tend to mess this job up is they try to do this timing job with the engine and transmission in the vehicle, and that really makes it hard when you look around this side to be able to get into this tight space up here, where really I need to be able to see clearly as far as what I'm doing. It makes it almost impossible with the vehicle's frame in the way. So the easiest and the most reliable way to do this job to ensure that I'm doing it correctly and everything's right is to go ahead and pull the engine and transmission out together all at once onto a table over here, so that whenever I get it out, I have all the access that I need to very clearly and concisely see and execute what I'm trying to do as far as the timing job goes. And that way I don't make any mistakes, and I don't have any water pump leaks or timing issues whenever I go back together, because really this is supposed to be a job that's going to last the customer at least another 150,000 miles, and this is the only way to make that happen. While I'm lifting, I'll push this and that'll get it where I want it. Right on the verge of braking.
So this device is for vacuum evac. Basically, wherever he sticks that tube in, this is pulling it out. Whatever liquid, whether it be coolant, engine oil, pulling the fluids and putting them into that chamber.
Why do you clean the holes out?
To keep the old silicones from preventing me from torquing down the bolts correctly. To ensure that the silicone is actually adhering to the surface, and we're not just relying on the pressure of the seal, or the pressure of the the pressure of the timing cover on the hardened silicone to seal. It's actually adhering to both of the surfaces so that we get a good solid seal on it, instead of, like I said, just worrying about using the compression of the gasket itself to create the seal. This is, like I said, it's almost like gluing two things together instead of using the compression of a hardened silicone to seal the surface, and that ultimately is what causes failures.
Got her back in running, quiet, perfect, everything's good, good to go.